Are you worried about being left behind in the AI revolution? Here are 10 must-do things to ensure your success in the AI era. On. Learn to code. Acquire proficiency in programming languages such as Python, Java and R, essential for AI development. 2. Develop adaptability. Embrace change and be flexible in learning and applying new technologies. 3. Understand prompts and use cases. Learn to effectively interact with AI tools by understanding how to create and use prompts. 4. Cultivate a growth mindset. Foster a mindset that is open to learning and improvement. 5. Learn advanced research skills. Develop the ability to conduct in-depth research and synthesize information quickly. 6. Master AI tools and platforms. Gain proficiency in using AI tools and platforms for data analysis, machine learning, and neural networks. 7. Enhance business intelligence. Understand how to leverage AI for business decision-making and strategy development. 8. Strengthen cybersecurity knowledge. Equip yourself with skills to protect data and systems in an increasingly digital world. 9. Improve data modeling skills. Learn to create and interpret data models, which are foundational for AI and machine learning. 10. Stay updated with AI trends. Continuously educate yourself on the latest developments and trends in AI to remain relevant in the field. Conclusion. As we navigate the AI era, remember that continuous learning and adaptability are key. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on thriving in the AI-driven world. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below.